In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your monday.com account. Before we get started, just a quick note. You'll need to be an admin on your monday.com workspace to follow these steps. If you're not an admin, you won't see some of the options I'm about to mention, so make sure you have the right permissions or ask your account admin to do this for you. First, log into your monday.com account as you normally would. Once you're on your main workspace, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your initials, your photo, or a generic avatar. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to your personal settings and account. In that drop-down, look for the option labeled Administration. This is where all of your workspace and account level controls live, including billing and user management. Click on Administration to open the admin panel. Depending on the size of your screen, this might open as a side panel or a full page, but the options will be the same. Inside the administration area, you'll see a menu with different sections. Find and click on the section labeled Billing. This is where monday.com keeps all the information related to your subscription, invoices, and payment details. Even if you're on a trial or a smaller plan, the option should still be visible as long as you're an admin. Once you're on the billing page, look for a tab or subsection called Overview. This is usually the default tab, but if not, just click on Overview to switch to it. The Overview page gives you a general summary of your current plan, renewal dates, and other billing details. On this Overview page, scroll down until you find the option that says Close My Account. It may be near the bottom of the page since it's a more advanced option. Take a moment here to be sure you really want to proceed, as closing your account can affect all users in your workspace and may remove access to your boards and data. When you're sure, click on Close My Account. A confirmation window or pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your decision.